Hello and good morning, grade 3. It's Mr. Yahya, and today we're going to start our new lesson, lesson 21. We're going to start with the grammar, and today we have for us adverbs that compare. So we took last week that adverbs are what? Are words that describe verbs, right? Or describe actions. Anyways, adverbs can tell where, when, or how something happens. Adverbs are used to describe verbs, just like we said. And adverbs can also be used to compare actions. See that something happened more or less than another action, right? To compare two actions, use the ending ER with most adverbs, such as hard, late, or slow. We can say what? Harder, later, slower, right? We used ER. Use more before adverbs that end in LY, such as carefully or quickly. So, we can say that what? She drove more carefully than he did, right? Or he can run more quickly than her, right? Okay. She practiced harder than her brother needed to practice. She danced more awkwardly than her brother did. Okay? So now we see here they added ER. Over here we added more before awkwardly because awkwardly ends in LY. Let's take a look at some questions and answer them together, alright? So, it says here, choose the correct adverb in parentheses and write it on the line. And by the way, this is page 90, okay? So, let's go to number 1. Page 90. It says, the brother and sister acted bashfully or more bashfully than their father. We're going to say what? More bashfully, right? Yes, so we're going to choose the second choice. More bashfully. Okay, let's go to number 2. Abby waited eagerly or more eagerly than her brother did. You have than, right? So we're looking for a comparative adverb, right? So it's going to be, yep, more eagerly. Excellent. So number 2, more eagerly. Okay. Number 3, the woman sang gently or more gently than the wind blew. You have than, so we're comparing again, so it's going to be more gently. Excellent. Yes. Alrighty, number 4. She swayed gracefully or more gracefully than the prairie grasses moved outside. We're going to say more gracefully. Excellent. Great job. Okay, let's go number 5. The song sounded stronger or more stronger than it did before. Stronger, right? Yes. Stronger than it did before. No need for more stronger. Just stronger. Excellent. Okie dokie. Number 6. The little girl held her toy bear carefully or more carefully than she would hold a ball. It's going to be more carefully. Yep, that's it. Excellent. More carefully. Great job, guys. Okay, so that was page 90. Let's move on to the next page. Yep, here's page 91. It's adverbs that compare as well. It says here that adverbs can be used to compare two actions. Add er to one-syllable adverbs to show comparison. If the adverb ends with e, drop the e before adding er. We know that already, right? Use more before adverbs that end in ly, just like we said in the last page. Sometimes an adverb that ends with ly will use an IER meaning. Sometimes, and we'll see right now. The moon shines brighter than the stars. Okay? Bright became brighter. Linda could see the moon earlier than she could notice the stars. And let's pay attention over here. You see earlier, it was early, right? Ending with ly. But what did we do? We changed that y to an I and we added the er, earlier. The stars twinkled more brilliantly than the moon glowed. Here we just added what? More. Okay, so it always depends on the situation, and you'll get a hang of it with more words you see. You'll know which words take more and which words will take the IER instead of the Y. Let's see. The truck arrived late today than the bus did. Let's change the verb in the parentheses over here. Write the correct form of the adverb in parentheses to complete the sentence. We're going to change late. Let's change this adverb to the correct form. So, the truck arrived late today than the bus did. It's going to be, yep, later. Excellent. Okay, page 91, right? Got number 1. It's going to be later. Excellent. Okay, number 2. The corn stalks stood rigidly than the tall grass. More rigidly, right? More rigidly than the tall grass. Excellent. Okay, number 3. She watched the sheep closely than she watched the cows. She watched the sheep what? More closely, right? Yep. More closely. Excellent. Okay, number 4. They climbed high than we could. They climbed what? Higher than we could. Yep, higher. Okay, number 5. The wind is blowing strong now than it did this morning. It's blowing stronger now than it did this morning. Yep, stronger. Excellent. Okie dokie. That's page 91. Now, let's move on to our homework page and take a look at it. Yep, here we are. Okay, so your homework is going to be page 97. Okay, and let's go over them. It says here, write the correct form of the adverb that compares more than two actions. So easily is going to be what? Can be more easily, right? Yes. Furiously, more furiously. Late, later, right? Perfectly, more perfectly. Rigidly, more rigidly. High, higher, right? So on your own, you guys can do them. Okay? Sam worked. Okay? Write the form of the adverb that compares more than two actions in parentheses. Okay. Here, Jenny always arrived early at work. Here we can do what? We can change early to earlier, right? Okay. So page 97, do as homework on your own, okay? Okay, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the lesson and enjoy the rest of your day. See you guys later.